Hi, I'm Abby from RTINGS.com, and today we're looking at the Sony WF-C700N Truly Wireless. These wireless earbuds are among Sony's cheaper offerings. They don't give you the outstanding noise isolation found in buds like the WF-1000XM5, which we recently reviewed if you want to check the cards, but they're ANC equipped and won't break the bank. Their sleek and lightweight design will surely appeal to commuters, and their IPX4 rating against water splashes should make them a hit with the jogging crowd. But are these buds all bark and no bite? Find out as we take them for a walk. These buds are essentially a step up from the cheaper, more sparsely featured Sony WF-C500N, and share many of the same design cues. They're round and minimalist, with a low profile that doesn't stick out too much from your ear. The model we have here is the nondescript black variant, but they're also available in white, sage green, and lavender if you're feeling colorful. While they don't have memory foam ear tips like those included with the XM5, their regular foam tips still have to be inserted deep into your ears to secure a good fit. This can put pressure on your ear canal, especially when you input controls on the outer surface of the bud. It's a shame because the controls are intuitive and well thought out. You can do everything from controlling audio playback to toggling between different ANC modes with the press or two of a button. You can even remap the controls to a custom configuration via their companion app. You'll be pleased to know that their wallet-friendly price doesn't come at the expense of build quality. These buds are sturdy and made of high-quality plastic that can survive both accidental drops and drops of water. They're rated IPX4 for protection against water splashes, so you can bring them on a run in the rain with some peace of mind. That deep in-ear fit also ensures that they're going to stay in your ear if you're going for a run, though you might need to readjust the fit if you're doing burpees or sprints. No need to worry about them taking up much space in your gym bag or pocket either. Their tiny footprint means you should be more worried about losing them at the bottom of your bag. Thankfully, they come with a solid, sturdy carrying case that's still svelte enough to bring on the go. Like most true wireless buds, the Sonys can only connect to your devices via Bluetooth. They're compatible with the SBC codec, but have fairly high latency with it. Audiophiles beware though, there's no compatibility with high-resolution streaming codecs like LDAC or aptX lossless. There's also Bluetooth multipoint, so you can pair with up to 2 devices simultaneously. Once paired with an iOS or Android device, you can access the great Sony Headphones Connect app, which opens up a world of customization. Here, you can manage your paired devices, remap the physical controls, adjust the ANC levels, modify the sound profile with an EQ, and set up 360 reality audio. Really, the app's your oyster. You can charge these buds by popping them in their case, which holds an extra charge in case you need to re-up in a pinch. But we do wish there was enough juice in there for more full charges. As is, it'll get you through your workday or a long journey, but you'll be looking around for a charging port after that. These buds are a testament to how you don't need to spend a fortune to get great sound quality from your in-ears. Right out of the box, they have a warm sound profile. There's enough rumble and thump in the bass range to bring energy to bass lines, but this doesn't come at the expense of the mids, which are buttery smooth. Vocals and lead instruments are present, with clarity and detail for days. While the treble range isn't quite as balanced as the bass and mids, it's still very serviceable. You might find that the veiled mid-treble makes sibilants like S's and T's sound a little lispy though. If this isn't quite your frequency flavor, you can always turn to the EQ and presets in the companion app to fine-tune your sound a little more. Here at RTINGS.com, we love consistency. So of course, we love how consistent the audio delivery is with these buds. Once you find the right ear tips and get a solid fit, you'll be rewarded with wonderfully consistent audio. That said, they don't offer much in terms of passive soundstage, which is to be expected from in-ear buds as their design prevents much audio interaction with your outer ear. If you're after a more immersive sound and are subscribed to a service like Tidal or 360 by Deezer, you can try enabling Sony's 360 reality audio feature, which analyzes your ear shape to create a more three-dimensional virtual soundstage. So, what else do these buds have that makes them stand out in a very competitive price range? Well, for starters, they pack an ANC system that can help block out ambient noise to let you focus on your favorite jams. It's definitely a step down from Sony's premium earbud offerings like the XM5, but it does a great job of shielding you from higher-pitched noises like fridge hums or creaking doors. Credit where credit's due, this attenuation is more to do with their in-ear fit than their ANC though. Sadly, it falls a little short when it comes to the bass frequencies, so you might struggle to follow along with your podcast if there's construction going on nearby. There's a handy transparency mode though, and it uses the onboard microphone to capture external ambient audio so you can stay aware of your surroundings.
Speaking of microphones, the integrated one on these buds does a decent enough job of rendering your voice in an understandable way. It does sound a little dark and thin, but it certainly gets the job done. It's not so good at separating your voice from noisy backgrounds though. Should be fine if you plan on taking calls primarily at home, but picking up a call on the subway will result in a distorted signal that'll be tricky to understand.
Finally, it's worth talking about the battery life of these in-ears. As with most ANC-equipped buds, the battery life performance will be better if you're not using the ANC function. Although there are other factors that can affect this, like if you're using the mic. The manufacturer advertises that they last 7.5 hours with the ANC on, and we measured just a little over this. So, the only question left is, should you buy them? If you don't want to drop premium bucks on Sony's flagship XM5s, the WF-C700N are a great budget-conscious alternative. While they don't have their older siblings' stellar noise isolation performance, they do get a lot right. They're just as well built and have similarly intuitive controls, and they even deliver audio more consistently between listening sessions. While sound is quite subjective, based on our target curve, the cheaper C700N have a more balanced profile out of the box, although you can tune both models via the companion app. If you're looking for better noise isolation capabilities and don't want to spend XM5 money, it might be worth looking at the Anker Soundcore Space 840 instead, as they're more comfortable and do a better job of attenuating low-frequency noises. You get an extra 3 charges from the carrying case too. That said, the C700N have a better mic recording quality and a more balanced default sound profile. Well, that's all for our review of the Sony WF-C700N Truly Wireless earbuds. If you'd like to learn more, check out our written review on our website. The link is in the description below. Until next time, I'm Abby from RTINGS.com, where we help you find the best product for your needs. If you don't want to drop premium bucks on Sony's flagship XM5s, the WF-C97... No, it's not even close to the right letter. Number. Oh my God!